Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Rolls Royce bonnet. First, locate the bonnet release lever, usually found on the driver's side near the footwell. Give it a firm pull to disengage the primary latch. You will hear a click, and the bonnet will slightly pop up, indicating that the first safety mechanism has been released. This initial step is crucial for accessing the secondary release. Next, move to the front of the vehicle. You will need to locate the secondary safety latch, which is typically positioned under the front edge of the bonnet, often near the center. Gently push or pull this latch to fully release the bonnet. On many models, the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy emblem will gracefully retract into its housing as the bonnet opens, a sophisticated safety feature. Once both latches are disengaged, carefully lift the bonnet. Be aware that Rolls Royce bonnets are substantial and can be quite heavy, so use both hands if necessary. Locate the bonnet stay or the hydraulic struts, which will automatically extend to hold the bonnet securely in its open position. Always ensure the bonnet is fully supported and stable before proceeding with any inspections or maintenance. To close the bonnet, first disengage the stay or gently push down on the hydraulic struts. Carefully lower the bonnet until it is about 12 inches from the closed position. Then, apply firm, even pressure to the center of the bonnet to engage both the primary and secondary latches. Always double-check that the bonnet is fully closed and flush with the vehicle's bodywork for safety and aesthetics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.